We actually shot that scene where it actually happened in Palampur, the real location.
Vikram being Vikram used to always love to lead.
A lot of leadership qualities.
And and they used to respect and love him for that.
But in this film, the Punjabi is more Thet.
Right. More
There's
interior.
more,
Chandigarh ki
yeah,
Sardarni
Chandigarh ki
hai, haan.
Sardarni.
You know, love is part of everybody's life. It's a part of soldier's life. It's a part of a businessman's life. It's a part of everybody's life. Love is universal.
दूरदर्शन में आता था ना परमवीर चक्र.
Right.
So they used to show all different heroes. So him and Vishal used to watch those TV shows and just aspire कि हम में से कोई आएगा इस पे.
When you talk about Dimple and Vikram Batra, that it's a film by itself. And if you look at Vikram Batra's journey in the force, that is a film by itself.
It's truly a historic moment. We are in Dras and we have the backdrop of Tiger Hill and Batra Point in the backdrop and the star cast of Sher Shah and the director Vishnu Vardhan, Siddharth Malhotra, Kiara Advani. Pleasure having you guys on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so
And
much.
Vishnu, you've done a lot of research in terms of meeting a lot of people who knew Vikram Batra. You took quite a bit of time in terms of writing the whole thing. How tough was it for you to just zero in on the final script? Because I'm sure that there must be many, many stories that you would have loved to put it inside. And how tough was the editing part?
See, as I told you, it's not. We took a lot of time, close to 6 to 8 months. Myself and Sandeep Srivastav, we traveled all over because all the officers were placed who served with Vikram Batra, who are promoted today in a higher ranking positions. They were placed all over, from Kashmir to Punjab to everywhere, all over they were placed. So we had to meet all of them and we had to gather all those stories. Now, when you actually look at it, including the people who was Vikram Batra's very close friends, his college and everybody. Now, Vishal Batra, the twin brother,
Right.
and Vikram, that it's a film by itself.
Of course.
Yeah, so
And
much.
when you talk about Dimple and Vikram Batra, that it's a film by itself. And if you look at Vikram Batra's journey in the force, that is a film by itself. So what is the thing? So that is where you have to take certain decisions, because I would definitely not want to edit the film. I would want to at least release, it doesn't matter how it is, because I know there's so much of amazing stories that they have to offer in real life. So we had to decide only one thing, that is, what was Vikram Batra known for? Captain Vikram Batra was known for his achievement on the battlefield. Right. So that is the core. That is the core actually. So you need to focus. It's like, when you talk about a known legend, or when you talk about unknown legends, the difference when you're making a biopic is, and you need to see how they were from their child, what went through and all these things. But whereas he was known only for capturing the peak. So that is the character. So that is the story that you need to really zero down. Right. It was very difficult.
Yeah.
I still don't like it, but I had to do it.
Of course.
But at the same time, I had to have Vishal Batra in the film, and I had to have the most strongest factor in him is his love story actually. Truth is stranger than fiction. It is impossible to even think of something like that could happen real, which actually Dimple and Vikram had played.
Yeah.
It is unbelievable to see the girls' dedication towards Vikram and the kind of impact Vikram Batra had on Dimple. That was a beauty, that was a core essence of, because whoever you are or whatever you do, love is part of everybody's life. It's a part of soldier's life. It's a part of a businessman's life. It's a part of everybody's life. Love is universal.
Absolutely.
So that was the most beautiful thing which happened in his life also. So that was also it's a soldier and the core of his life.
Right. I genuinely hope that at some stage Amazon would want to showcase the unedited version, or maybe like a longer version of whatever you guys
Maybe
have
make a
shot,
series of it.
because that should be very,
Mini-series.
very interesting.
Yeah.
All right, so you have, I think, a very important dialogue in the promo that we've seen. If you are a Fauji, you live by chance, you love by choice, and you
Fight by
fight by
profession.
profession. I think it sums up the life of a soldier beautifully in terms of professionalism, what he's supposed to do.
No, absolutely, and I think very well written by Sandeep, our writer.
Sandeep Srivastava.
Yeah, Sandeep Srivastav, and that sums up Vikram Batra as well. He believed in it. He believed in the institution of the army. He believed in protecting the country and motherland, and he aspired to be a soldier since a very young age. They used to watch Doordarshan में आता था ना परमवीर चक्र.
Right.
So they used to show all different heroes. So him and Vishal used to watch those TV shows and just aspire कि हम में से कोई आएगा इस पे. And it's such an ironic journey that he's had that he actually is obviously Paramveer Chakra. He got after post he apni Qurbani di.
जी
So he never got to see it, but he actually lived it, and I find that very fascinating to get into a mindset of a soldier who will do nothing but do his duty, and even if there are so many obstacles in front of him, he'll never back down. And he actually lived that with a lot of style and panache by saying, ये दिल मांगे मोर सा, मैं इसके बाद रुकने नहीं वाला हूँ.
That's beautifully said. I think
Yeah.
the way you've said it, it's so much of heart into it. Okay, and there's another very important point that as a soldier, more than religion, that's just fighting for the country. That is something that's bigger than any
No,
religion
absolutely.
whatsoever.
What we've tried, as Vishnu was saying, that we wish we could show all the other aspects of Vikram's life, but we've taken jhalaks of his life, whether it's his love story with Dimple, whether it's his story from his forces or his personal life with his family. And that's where one other thing, when you talk about a soldier, that was his only dharam. Like, he was waiting कि अच्छा अभी मुझे मौका मिलेगा battlefield में जाने का. I want to prove that I can protect my motherland, and
Of course.
I want to lead my troops. And when we spoke to all his comrades, they used to say, his subordinates used to say कि यार जब बत्रा साहब होते ना तो हमें safe we feel safe, क्योंकि he genuinely used to lead them in front with facing bullets, and कि तुम मेरे पीछे आओ. Otherwise, in some other scenarios, somebody, because he's senior, he can also order you around. He doesn't really need to. He can strategize from behind or some other areas. But Vikram, being Vikram, used to always love to lead.
A lot of leadership qualities.
And and they used to respect and love him for that.
No, absolutely. All right, so Kiara Advani recently completed 7 years in the industry, and it's so fascinating to see her journey. And if any actor starts surprising after a point of time in terms of with each performance, I think that's a very positive sign.
Absolutely.
And there is an element of perfectionism that you're trying to bring to your performances. जिस तरीके से आप पंजाबी बोल रही हैं इसमें. Did you know Punjabi beforehand?
Not at
Yeah,
all. I mean,
exactly.
I had, of course, the exposure with,
Right.
I'd say primarily with Good News, because, of course, when you're
course.
working with Diljit and we were paired opposite each other, and we were meant to be from there, it comes naturally. But in this film, the Punjabi is more thet.
Right. More interior.
There's more,
Chandigarh ki
yeah,
Sardarni
Chandigarh
hai,
ki
हाँ.
Sardarni hai. And I think I would give full credit to Sandeep sir, because he's at the dialogues, he would perfect the nuances and tell me what to stress on and what not to. So he helped me with that. But yeah, I don't think that's really sweet of you to say that I'm trying, perfecting my performances.
It is, it is a surprise the way you
Yeah.
started off.
You've
And,
seen the whole journey.
Right. And she was determined कि मैं आलिया अपने नाम में नहीं रहना चाहती, मेरा नाम अलग होना चाहिए कुछ. It should establish something else.
Correct.
So she was very clear since the beginning, from the first film itself. And I think that was foresight in a
Yeah,
way.
she'll surprise you every day on set.
Right.
Every day, no doubt about it. Because I always got surprised whenever she gets on stage to perform. So
Right.
every day it's a surprise actually. And especially certain parts, I mean, Kiara just made it more beautiful like you can't imagine. And I mean, it's very intense. I could say she really killed it. Kiara really killed it. She gave a lot of life
Has
to
he
it.
told you this before?
Yeah, after we watched the
She's
film.
used to this.
No, not with so many words, but we did. We recently watched the film, and I was discussing something, the last scene with sir, and he said, you told me I'm going to do this only once. Apparently, I did realize I had told him that. So it's basically, to put more context to it, the last scene in the film is the funeral scene, and it's when Dimple sees Vikram for the last time. And we actually shot that scene where it actually happened in Palampur, the real location. And when it happened back then, the entire town, everyone from all over had come to to pay their respects to
Of course.
Captain Vikram Batra. So we had a lot of junior artists on set to to show the whole town had come. There was also Vishal Batra, his twin brother, who had come that day, who was also there, and it was very difficult for. I think there was something in the air that day. I can't explain it. That was very emotional. And I remember just before my take, and it was a close-up shot. He started with my close-up because he knew that these are certain shots you can't keep doing. You can't take multiple takes. And when I was sitting in the car before that, and he came to me and he told me what I had to do. And I was already like about to cry. And I said, "So I'm only giving you one take. Just go. I'm getting into it." And I remember I was performing, but I could hear sniffles all around me. The entire crew, every single other actor on set, even the army that, like Shiv Pandit,
The
everybody who was playing the other officers in the film who was standing, and they're not supposed to cry, and nobody could help it. It was almost like, it's just a feeling of just immense gratitude for Captain Vikram Batra. And so, but that scene, I remember when I was seeing it, I was asking Sir something about that close-up, and he said, do you remember you only gave me, like, that's all I have. That's my only scene. And I didn't know that because I'm an actor who always wants more takes.
Dil Mange
So,
More.
yeah, Dil Mange More, always.
She always wants more
that's
takes, but I
when
made sure I used only that one take, which was extraordinarily brilliant.
That was the only take. But yeah, I think even like when you said clarity, I want to come back because I haven't spoken of Dimple, and I think that's, you know, the most beautiful reason why I wanted to play this character, to play her part. I don't think I know anybody who's as strong and as committed as she is. And I think if Vikram fought for the country, she fought for love. I think that's who she really was, and she really is. So yeah, I think it's honestly an honor to be portraying her in this film. And
Did you meet her?
Yes, I did. I feel it's really important to meet when you have the opportunity to. You really try to make it happen. So thanks to Vishal Batra, I was shooting in Chandigarh much before we started the film, and he got her to meet with me, and it was amazing because she spoke with so much happiness in her eyes. It was like she was reliving those memories like it happened yesterday. There was just a smile on her face. It wasn't that sadness. It was more like pride. It was more like, it was just lovely to hear about him firsthand from her and to hear about their love story. And you don't make women like that. I mean, today in this society where there's so much pressure on marriage, to see a woman stand by her choice and say, you know what, this is the man I've loved and I choose to remain unmarried because she feels he's always with her, always around, his presence is always there. And that's so beautiful.
No, absolutely.